London began to pull itself together and look for a way forward, but British leaders are making it clear that after so many terrorist attacks in a short time, things cannot continue as they are.
There is, to be frank, far too much tolerance of extremism in our country. So we need to become far more robust in identifying it and stamping it out across the public sector and across society. That will require some difficult and often embarrassing conversations. But the whole of our country needs to come together to take on this extremism. And we need to live our lives not in a series of separated, segregated communities, but as one truly united kingdom.
But achieving that unity at a time the country increasingly finds itself feeling physical danger from within is easier said than done. There is fear of growing divisions between Muslims and non-Muslims and among Muslims themselves.
I'm a Londoner. I grew up in London. What happened yesterday was devastating. It got to me that that was not only an attack on those people, but it was an attack on me as well. They're trying to divide us.
Also prompting concerns, Britain is contemplating more internet surveillance and possible changes to detention laws, as well as extending sentences for terrorist-related offenses. Some see a larger question.
Some people are actually scared of repercussions and what might happen and things like that. But the way I understood it, it is not that at all. It's about asking us where we're heading as a society.
In the heavily Muslim eastern parts of the city, home to at least some of the attackers, there is tension, and statements are carefully worded.
One person did, and it is blame for whole community. No community want this type of barbarism. We condemn it. We should condemn together.
Residents living a few meters from Borough Market and London Bridge have a mission to not give the terrorists what they want.
We've got to get on. We've got, we're with the British people. We've been through worse, and we will continue to soldier on and club together as a community and as a nation.
Armed police were once a rare sight in Britain. Now, here at Borough Market, they are a reminder that 3 attacks in 3 months may have changed this country forever. Luis Ramirez, VOA News, London.